In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use custom Boombox Lethal Company. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to import your own songs like MP3 files into the Boombox on Lethal Company, you will be able to do this through the use of mods. For this video, I have selected the most popular mod that allows you to use custom songs on the Lethal Company Boombox. So this is going to be installed through Thunderstore. Of course, you can also do a manual download, however, Thunderstore makes this process very convenient. You will need this mod right here, Custom Boombox Music by Steven. So this is going to be the actual mod that lets you use custom songs. And then you will also need Beppin EX Pack. This is going to be an add-on that is required for this mod and many others to function, so it's very likely that you already have this if you used other mods in Lethal Company. So you can find this mod available on the Thunderstore website. So install with the mod manager, which is highly recommended because it is going to automatically set it up for you, or do a manual download, and this will allow you to get the files needed. You just need to extract them in the actual folder. Now, once you have this installed under the Beep NX plugins, you will be good to go. Now, to actually add the files, you will need to use them in these three formats here: .wav, .ogg, and finally, the most common one, which I think most people will know, MP3. For this video, I'm not going to teach you how to acquire the songs that you want to use. You can use some sort of converter to get the file for the song, and like I said, you should do your own research on how to get this. But once you have the song file that you want to use, you just have to extract it on this folder here. So you go over to Thunderstore Mod Manager, Data Folder, Lethal Company, Profiles, you find the profile that you created with the custom Boombox mod, and then you go into Beep NX, Custom Songs, and then Boombox Music, and you will just drop these .wav, .ogg, and .mp3 files in this folder. Once they are all located here, it is going to be randomly selected which one will be used. So when you get the Boombox inside of the game, you will be able to listen to these files that you have installed. Just make sure that you are running the modded version of the game with custom Boombox Music by Steven. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom Boombox Lethal Company. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.